Are we going to use them later?
Yeah, gonna grind them up. We'll grind them up, and we're gonna make them with some beef, and we'll make some get some veal and make some nice meatballs.
Oh, I like to hear that.
Get that cartilage.
Nothing goes to waste. We're going to use all that.
Alright.
Okay.
We're gonna throw these on just like this. We're not gonna put anything on them yet.
Okay, save that for later. Looking forward to see what you do. Go.
So we got a new guy here. Relatively new. This is Harvey number 2. This is
our brother Glenn, man.
Our lost brother.
He's part of the Pit Boy family, and you know that.
And this is his brother. This is his brother right
Yep.
here. Yep. And he's our new
Brother from the same mother.
Well, Dave is practically a brother too. Let's be honest.
Dave is adopted brother.
Yeah.
From the same cloth.
Oh, no doubt.
Very accomplished individual right here.
That's awesome.
Fireman, saved a lot of lives, certified diver.
Wow.
We're gonna go take a peek here
All right.
at the naked ribs.
The naked ribs.
We didn't put a thing on these ribs, and you have to take note to how they look, because you're always putting something on the ribs. You never really see what goes on under the ribs.
Oh, hey.
So they look a little bit unorthodox from what we're used to seeing.
All right. So what are you gonna do then? What's up next?
And well, we're gonna take some black strap molasses and pour them right on the ribs here.
Molasses.
It's almost like painting. I don't know.
I know, right? My son does a lot of painting.
Yeah.
College job.
Yep.
Right. So why the molasses?
Well, it's another form of sweetness. It adheres really well, and it doesn't taste bad. It tastes pretty good. So we're going to give it a shot, and it's the best part about barbecuing is we have the opportunity to do different things.
For sure. No doubt.
That's it. So we're going to put the molasses on, and now we're going to cover it
Here we go.
with fresh granulated garlic.
Oh, loaded. Oh. We love our garlic.
And boy, does that smell good.
Oh, my God. Woo. Whoa. That garlic.
Here we go.
It's snowing garlic.
Yeah. And
Wow, I can. Holy cow, yeah.
on top of that, we'll put a little bit of our sweet Martha.
Sweet Martha. Red pepper flakes.
A little bit of red pepper flakes. These are going to be spicy, sweet, spicy garlic ribs.
You mean sweet, spicy, really garlicky ribs?
Yeah,
Which is what
very garlicky,
Yeah,
very
that's what we're
garlicky
looking for.
ribs. Well, might as well throw a piece of smoke wood in there. There you go.
Can't wait. At the pit. Cooking some ribs up. Got the whole crew here. Our big crew here. So,
Let's
what are you doing here?
we're going to spray the ribs right down. We're going to soak them.
Using vinegar, of course.
Yeah. There we go. Ready, Jess?
Yep.
Here we go.
There we go.
Here we go.
Wrapped.
There you go. Nice and tight. 9:30. And put them right back on the grill. Yeah, same position.
Boy Glenn.
There you go. Right back on. Got it?
Yep. Pit Boy Glenn taking them off. Let them cool down a little bit. Guys are hungry though. They're a little. Look at them. I mean, God, they're like it's like zombies waiting to attack the food. All right.
We got our brewer's blend here. This will put a little bit of sauce in there in case anybody wants to dip.
I think people are hungry, man.
Yeah, I think so. Yep.
No, it's a lot of hovering around here. I think people want to eat.
They're starting to look. Yeah, don't knock the sauce over. Okay.
You getting hungry or what? Look at the bees.
Right.
Going, yeah, I'm hungry. You like this brewers, huh?
That's
Brewers
it.
Blend, man.
That's it.
It's because you got beer. That's what
Yeah, I
it's
think
got
so.
beer.
I think so. That's it. Yeah.
Beer season for yellow
Oh
jackets.
yeah. Let's see how that molasses comes out.
Yeah, so these are sweet heat and garlic. I can see the
Yeah.
garlic flake on here.
Yeah, red pepper
And
flakes
the red
too.
pepper flakes. And the garlic
Wow,
is
that's crazy.
the garlic's kind of built in now, I would imagine. Yeah.
Sense of gathering coming up here. Here, I'm gonna move back so you guys can all come in and.
There you go. Just grab it and dip it and eat it.
All right, so
Yeah, go on in. Hey, Warden, you're gonna miss out, man.
it's a great idea, great recipe.
That's it. Yeah. Well, let's eat it up.
So this is the part where the pit masters are eating in front of you. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Whoa. I'll cover that. I'll cover that. Yeah.
Grab the meat.
And if I do.
Wow, that you can taste that molasses melted right into that meat.
Very good.
Oh wow.
Definitely molasses is predominant.
That is so good. Garlicky enough to keep the vampires away.
Oh yeah.
That's a juicy.
Too bad when you have 2 or 3 of these.
We need 20 racks.
This is good. You get to taste everything.
Look at that bite. Perfect.
Oh yeah.
Great cook.
Oh yeah. Oh man. Fantastic.
Somebody will buy this. They won't buy this bone.
Yeah.
We want the bone here.
So how does it go? So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQ Pit Boys.com.
All right. Great job, Slasher.